How to block user on Notion. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block user on Notion. If you want to block user on Notion, you need to follow the steps. First of all, make sure that you've already installed the app and logged into your account. You need to understand that you cannot block individual user on Notion in the same way you like do it on social media. Instead, what you could do is you could simply manage their access and permission by removing them from a page, database, or entire workspace as well. Now, to prevent a specific user from seeing an edited content, you could either directly remove the name from the page share settings, or if they are the member of a workplace and you want to permanently remove them, you could remove them from your workplace as well. To do this, you have to open the Notion page or a database that you want to restrict. So let's say this is the one. And after which you just need to click on the share button. So if you could find the share button, you just need to go ahead and locate the share button. So when you click on this upward arrow icon, there you have the share, right? So over here, what you need to do is locate the person or find the user that you want to block, then click on the three dot icon and just go ahead and click on remove. When you do this, you'll have successfully restrict the person, and this is an alternative for blocking a user on Notion. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.